Hey everyone, welcome back to the range. Got some 30-06 Springfield here today from Liberty Ammunition. This is the Animal Instinct line. This is a 100 grain hollow point round, all copper. We'll run this through the 24-inch M1 Garand at about 12 feet, Pro Pal Chrono. It's a nice cool 50 degrees outside today and cloudy. 35, 52. 32, 36, 32, 28, 32, 05, 32, 36. Holy smokes, Batman. Well, I'd say it's some of the fastest 30-06 I've ever chronographed. Not as close as what they advertise on the side of the box. Maybe the M1 Garand I have, the barrel is not in the greatest shape. If you do the throat erosion test on it, the bullet goes quite a ways in there. So we may have to find a bolt gun in 30-06 or an M1 Garand with a better barrel and see if we get a little better velocities. Thanks again, Liberty Ammunition, for providing these boxes of ammunition for us to test, and thank you to all who watch, like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, everybody, take it easy.